Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to delete credit card from Amazon account on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, here you can open Amazon application on your device. Okay, after that, please press profile icon at the bottom. And then click on your account menu. Well, after that, here you can scroll down. And then you can select your payment option. Okay, and then you can click on your card. And then here you can select edit. After that, you can click remove from wallet. And then you can click once again. Okay, and then the credit card is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to delete credit card from Amazon account on an Android device.